If DaVinci Resolve 20 is giving you the unsupported GPU processing mode error or it just refuses to open properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you can get back to editing as quickly as possible. We'll cover the main GPU settings inside Resolve, how to switch the processing mode correctly for your graphics card, and what to do if the problem is still showing after that. I'll also show you how to check your Windows graphics drivers and how to force Resolve to use your dedicated GPU on a laptop with dual graphics. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, launch DaVinci Resolve 20. If the error message stops the app from opening, go to the DaVinci Resolve menu in the top left corner of the global menu bar and choose Preferences. Once the Preferences window opens, click the Memory and GPU tab at the top. This is where Resolve controls how your system handles graphics processing, and it's usually the main place to fix this kind of error. Now look in the middle of the panel for the GPU selection section. Here, you want to uncheck the auto box next to GPU processing mode. This switches Resolve from automatic detection to manual selection, which gives you more control over compatibility. After that, click the drop-down menu for GPU processing mode and choose the option that matches your hardware. If you are on Windows with an NVIDIA graphics card, select CUDA. If you are using AMD graphics, select OpenCL. On Mac systems, Metal is usually the correct choice. The important thing is to match the mode to your GPU so Resolve can initialize it properly. Next, make sure the GPU selection mode below is also set to manual by unchecking its auto box as well. Then check the list of available GPUs and verify that your specific graphics card is visible and selected. If your dedicated GPU is not checked, Resolve may try to use the wrong one, which can trigger the unsupported mode error again. Once everything looks correct, click Save in the bottom right corner of the Preferences window. After that, close DaVinci Resolve completely and restart it so the new GPU settings can take effect. In many cases, that alone will solve the issue. But if you still see the error, the next step is to check your graphics drivers in Windows. Right-click the Start button on your taskbar and open Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters section and look for any warning symbols or driver errors. If you see a problem there, go to the manufacturer's website and download the latest driver for your graphics card. For example, NVIDIA users should install the newest driver directly from NVIDIA, and AMD users should do the same from AMD's official site. Updated drivers often fix compatibility problems that prevent Resolve from using the GPU correctly. If you're on a laptop with dual graphics, there's one more important thing to check. Open Windows Settings, go to System, then open Display and select Graphics. Find DaVinci Resolve in the app list or add it manually if it isn't already there. Click Options and set it to High Performance. This tells Windows to use your dedicated graphics card instead of the integrated GPU, which can make a huge difference for Resolve stability and performance. After changing that setting, open DaVinci Resolve again and see if the unsupported GPU processing mode error is gone. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve it. So to recap, set the GPU mode manually, choose the right processing option for your card, confirm your GPU is selected, update your drivers if needed, and force high performance mode on laptops if you have dual graphics. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.